National Weather Service in New Orleans has issued a flash flood warning for Central East Baton Rouge Parish in southeastern Louisiana until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:09 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: Doppler radar. Impact: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Baton Rouge, Zachary, Baker, Denham Springs, Oak Hills Place, Marydale, Brownfields, Westminster, Innisful, Shenandoah, Village St. George, Old Jefferson, and Baton Rouge Airport. This includes the following interstates: Interstate 10 in Louisiana between mile markers 158 and 165. Interstate 12 between mile markers 1 and 9. Interstate 110 in Louisiana between mile markers 3 and 8. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are possible in the warned area. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Excessive runoff from heavy rainfall will cause flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage areas and low-lying spots. Repeating, a flash flood warning has been issued until 10:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the